The Street Guys.
It is pointless to resist, my son.
Don't make me destroy you.
I've been waiting for you, Obi-Wan. We meet again at last. The circle is now complete. When I left you, I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
Only a master of evil, Darth.
All systems have been alerted to your presence, sir.
Oh, well, who wants to live forever?
Go! 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 Go!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, watch your step. Come on. Come on.
Commence attack!
Ain't a brother stick his hand down another man's pants without setting off the faggot alarm.
You dick! That's a huge bitch!
Don't chicken out!
You like them big hairy balls, don't you?
Word!
Hey guys, I need a quick gigolo fix.
I would like to take you from behind.
Baby.
What's your going rate, douche?
I was getting $10. Please stop. It's okay. You tried. Regular sneaky or extra fresh?
Quick! Rewind it!
I wonder...
A freaking 12 gauge, what do you think?
This is madness.
Can you bring me my chapstick?
No, Napoleon.
I'm really busy right now.
But my lips hurt real bad. You sicko?
See ya.
Ugh, idiot.
Control, you must.
Hey, is that a new kid or something? You know, there's like a buttload of gangs at this school. Dang. This one gang kept wanting me to join because I'm pretty good with the bow staff.
It's a sledgehammer.
Dang, you got shocks, pegs, lucky.
Beaten.
Rex Kwando! I need a volunteer. Okay, you'll do. Come up here. My name is Rex, and if you study with my 8-week program, you will learn a system of self-defense that I developed over 2 seasons of fighting in the octagon.
Dance while the record spins.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei! Now I'm gonna give you one chance. One chance, people.
Hit it! As we go a little something like this.
Give me your best shot.
Check it out, y'all.
Alright, that was pretty good. Okay, now, watch this, everybody.
1, and then comes the 2 to the 3.
Grab my arm, the other arm. my other arm.
I'll be back. Oh, yeah!
You're listening to sfxsource.com.
I'm going to hell!
Well, hot damn. Download pro sound effects and royalty-free music at sfxsource.com. Your sweet source for sound.
Oh my God, this girl's really turning me on.